Heyo! It's me, Harper Savage, and today I have another flip through for you guys. And we're gonna be doing Creative Haven's Country Kitchen Charm by Teresa Goodridge. I think that's what that name is there. Please excuse me in my dyslexic form. Now I haven't seen Creative Haven since AC Moore closed, but I also found this at Walmart and I never actually thought to look in Walmarts for coloring books, and I regret it. They seem to have a really good price on a lot of their books. So, let's get into the flip through. Now, this is not typically a book that I would purchase myself, because this wasn't really my scene, you know, like, this is a cool page, though. Like, I'm really not into coloring things. Like, this kind of stuff, but I was actually, like, really interested in it for some reason. I don't know, maybe my tastes have changed. Well, let's read this little thingy over here. Full of irresistible charm, this unique book celebrates the heart of the home with a delightful variety of 31 ready-to-color illustrations. The beautifully detailed images include kitchen designs ranging from rustic farmhouse to chic modern, all accented with lovely furnishings, pretty table settings, quaint collectibles, herb gardens, baked goods, and more. Enjoy coloring with markers, colored pencils, or any medium of your choice. Plus, the pages are perforated and printed on one side only for easy removal and display. Now, I really like perforated pages, but I am kind of leaning toward liking non-perforated pages now as I'm getting older, because I think it's cool to have everything in one place, but at the same time, I also want to use stuff that could bleed everywhere. So I'm kind of torn, or not torn, if you catch my drift. Anyways, I think this is a new book because it says the copyright is 2022 and there is no other copyright date on here. Usually when they have to reprint stuff, they put another date on it. I think that's how it works because that's how some of the books I've seen are. So I'm going with this is a new book. That's why I'm doing the flip through. Well, here's the first page. It's a cute little nook of some sort, or hutch, maybe. And there are quoted pages in here, so if that's not your thing, you might not like a couple of these pages, but if it is your thing, there's a couple of these pages in here. Life is what you bake it. And it's a nice little pun. And a little breakfast nook and a kitty. I love my kitties. Is that a duck or a chicken? I can't tell. I think it's a chicken, but it has like a rounded bill. But it's like a little wall hanging. And a kitchen. Most of these are going to be kitchens, so I don't know why I'm saying it out loud. This is my kitchen. Look at that big old bread box. Ooh, a tea set. Sort of. Ooh, a wine rack and some pasta. Probably like cooking wine. Well, you know, wine is good. Herbs in a kitty. Kitty witty. Heart coffee. True. Happiness is homemade. And then my favorite recipes. This is like a cute little like collage of things on this page. I think this is one of my favorite pages. I just like the idea of having like an herb garden in your window. It's something I want to have someday. Now that's like a wood stove. That's cool. Looks like it's kind of outside. Like in a under an awning. on a porch. I don't know. I've seen this before. I don't know if it has like a real name. Like that's different than regular names. We got another angle of a kitchen and there's a puppy. Looks like a oven area. I think this is an oven. And there's a chair and a cat in front. That's a little strange to me. But still kitty. Ooh, and shelves. An eating area with a view to the, I'm guessing, backyard. Well, this is a nice image. I feel like this is kind of a generic one, but a nice one. And a puppy! This is actually the front cover, but they cropped off the dog, and I don't know why. The dog is clearly the best part. See? Right there. Cropped him right off. How rude. Life is short, eat dessert first. That one not as punny, but still, the assortment is cute. Ooh, a cheese spread. Hell yeah. Another angle of a like island in a kitchen. Oh look, another puppy. I've actually noticed that like a couple of the cats and dogs are like copy pasted. This is one of them. Which I don't mind if it's not overused, but if I notice it a lot, then I tend to not like that particular coloring book, in my opinion. I feel like you should put in the effort. But that's just me. This looks like another like nook type situation. There's like shelves all around, like built-in shelves. That's cool. In a bakery or like a baking area. Mom's kitchen. Love served daily. Oh, that's cool. It's like a hutch. Like a fancy schmancy one. A nice close-up view of vegetables. I think this is the back page. Nope, I was wrong. What page is this? Oh, it is the back page. It's just not the outer back page. It's actually really cool. I think this was probably not done with colored pencils. It was more likely paints or pastel, like oil pastels. I don't know. I'm not like an expert in pointing out what mediums were used where. Ooh, and then we have, I think some of these are just reused scenes, but at a different angle, if that makes sense. But I think we've seen this table before, just at a different angle. There's a sleeping puppy outside. Here's a winter scene. I thought this one was a little odd to be in here, because this is like the only winter page, but I can also see why it's in here. And we got the kitty and another kitty. I believe this is also like a copy-pasted kitty. At like, you know, a table scene. A nice sunny area to sit in. Here's that outdoor thing. I think we saw this, but closer. So it's definitely outdoors. Does this have a name? Like this type of setup where it has like an awning and like a floor and actually like built-in stuff like a stove. I don't know. Autumn blessings. Okay, so we have an autumn picture here too. So it's not just the one-off winter scene. But most of them seem like they're, you know, spring, summertime. like the outside scenes. Oh, celebrate. Oh, a birthday scene. Yep, and that is it. And here is the back of it. Now, I got mine from Walmart for actually, six... Oh god, it was some odd change, but it was not $6.99. It was like $69.94. It was like a slightly cheaper price than this, but this is a really affordable book, and all of Creative Haven books so far that I've seen are affordable. I have ones from 2012, 2013, 2016, like I have a handful of older ones. So they were all $1 cheaper because of that. That's just how the prices were back in the day, but now we're $1 up. But it's still super affordable, and I like coloring on these pages. I've only ever used pencil and chalk pastels though. So I can't really tell you what else could go on here. The paper type seems a little thin to me, so I don't really think it could take too much water, but it might be able to take some acrylic. But yeah, I normally don't go for this type of like book, but it seemed cool. And I do enjoy the pages, so hopefully I'll color in it then. Mine's actually a little bit beat up because like the Walmart I got it from is not like the greatest one in the area, but you know, I'll take what I can get. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye!